Hey guys, so today we're gonna take out this old touchscreen right here for this new one right over here. So I got this piece right here. This touchscreen supposed to have Apple CarPlay on it, and it should fit. It came from a charger. The guy was selling the piece. I'll leave his information on the bottom, so I know he sells like different car parts. Hopefully it works. So all you're gonna need is you could use not a screwdriver but a flathead around here, or you could get one of these, and you're supposed to take out from every corner, and then it should easily come out. So I'm gonna try right now.
A few moments later.
And it sucks. Like it's making a hard time trying to take it out. So said I got this. Hopefully this works out. Oh, well, there you go. It does work out. Because I was having a struggle. I don't know why. And yeah, and this one actually is showing. So I'm just gonna cut forward and to the part where I take this off. All right, so it was way faster using a flathead. So I would say use a flathead, and I'm taking it out. Go very slow. Take your time. Don't rush through it because you don't want to accidentally pull something out or break something. So I'm just gonna slowly take this off now. All right, so right here you can see there's like little screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So you just want to take that out, and you can see this is how it looks like. It's kind of dirty because the flathead was rusty. So yeah. One thing I realized is that you don't want to, when you take off the screws, just be careful it doesn't fall inside the car. So just be very careful. Alright, so I took out all the screws out. They're good. Now, apparently now you could just take it out easily. Okay. Alright. And we have some cables to take out. So those cables, there's 1, 2, 3, and a big one right there. Take those out and then you plug it into the new one. But one thing I noticed that's kind of throwing me off a little bit, this one has more. So I'm a little like, okay, what to do now? Because I'm like, is it gonna fit? Hopefully it does. This is coming from a Hellcat charger, but everyone's telling me it should work. So I'm not sure. Maybe one of them is for the sensors or something like that. Who knows? But I'm gonna keep trying. If it doesn't work, I'll just stick with the little one. And they're like little clips. You just press and pull, basically. I need 2 hands. Yeah, so there you go. That's how they look like. Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna be cutting the video a bit because it's kind of hard to do this while recording. So right here is the old one. You see there's like a yellow, white, gray, and the big one. And right here we have the big one, the white, the yellow, and the gray one. So I'm missing a red and those purplish ones. So I don't know. Honestly, hopefully this works. Yeah. So this is how it looks like when it's plugged in. I got the big one, the gray one, the yellow, and the white. Like I said, I'm missing a few. This is a 2016 SXT Challenger, and this is probably like a new one. I think this is like 2019. So yeah, it's probably like the sensors or something. I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna turn on, not to completely turn on the car, but just turn on the power, and we'll see what happens. So it's on. So it looks pretty cool. Like I said, it's just the power on right now. Press start vehicle. I don't want to do that because freaking thing's open. The only concern I have right now is if the backup camera works. I do have to turn on the car for that. Because if it doesn't work, I'll have a hard time parking this car because it has a fat ass. Fuck it, I'll turn it on now. Oh. Alright, so we have an issue now. I guess I'm gonna hit up the guy I bought the thing up and ask him what's the code. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on him to send me the code. Hopefully he has it, or else this thing's busted. But it does work, and well, it probably doesn't let me touch it because it has to be on. But yeah, hope it will look nice. Like, I actually kind of like it now. Like, I really hate the small one. So I don't know, I always hated it, and every time I went to car meets, the other challengers would be like, they'll be surprised because they never really expected a small one or ever saw a small one before. Yeah, but you can tell right there. Way better, the big one. So I'm gonna wait for him to hit me up so I could put in the code. Until then, I'm not gonna put back anything. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna wait. Hopefully he messaged me. Hopefully he knows it, so I can easily, you know, put the code in and everything be set. But it looks like it works, but I really want to know if the backup camera works, because like I said, like, I live in New York and it's a little hard to park sometimes, and that camera really helps out. So yeah, hopefully he hits me up. Hey guys, so it's kind of like already afternoon now. I think I started the video like in the morning, like I think it was 8 or 7. Anyways, the guy does not know the code apparently, and now I'm kind of like stuck here. Like, I don't know what to do. I can switch it back to the old one, but I'm like here thinking like I'm looking at the stickers. There's no code or nothing on it. Like, if I try anything, it just doesn't let me. Like, I was guessing the numbers, but like, and also if you guess the numbers too much, it locks it, like, you know, like your iPhone. Like, I kind of was guessing the numbers, and then I messed up a lot, and it told me 30 minutes that I couldn't do anything. So yeah, but like, if I try to touch the volume, you can see it move. If I try to turn on the AC, look at that. Like, it works. It just, bro, I just need the password so I don't like my music or whatever, and Apple Play. But like, if I try to go on apps, nope. Here, nope. I'm gonna try to get my USB cable and try that out. But it basically works. I just need that. And like, yeah. So I'm praying right now, hoping that that it could work out, because it'll be cool. But then also, I want to sell my old one, the little one, and I'm like, I don't even know the code for that one. So like, obviously I don't want to send it to someone and I don't know the code. So I'm gonna try to find the code for that. Meantime, I'm still gonna wait on this guy. Hopefully he can find it or something. So I took pictures of the stickers that were there, which is like 1 and 2 up here. I took pictures of those, and I saw a video that said you have to go to the dealership, and then from there they will give you the code. But you will also need the car's VIN number. And since this came from another car, I'm gonna ask the guy to give me the VIN number. I'm gonna head to the dealership, and hopefully from there, you know, it'll work out. I don't think they'll say anything. I'll just be like, the car was like got destroyed and they sold parts. Anyways, I'm basically gonna put everything how it was. I'm gonna keep that there, and if they can't give it to me and it doesn't work out, I'll just take it out, put the small one back there, and I guess I'll send it back. But I really like it, but I'm gonna do that right now. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. The guy never hit me up about the VIN number. I guess he was busy, or I'm not sure. So I looked up last night. I looked up like crazy trying to find information. They said you have to call I guess like the Mopar place. But then I also found a guy on eBay that apparently he sent him the pictures of like the stickers of the side, and he can find the code for you. I did it for $20 to see if it actually could help, because I don't look like man work calling the Mopar place. You gotta call the Mopar thing, send them the serial number of that, and then you gotta find the VIN number of the car. It looked too much work, but anyways, let's see if this works. Hopefully this guy's like the real thing. He had good reviews. He apparently does it all the time, so. And if it works, I'll give you guys the info. So then if you guys have this trouble, you guys can hit him up.
Continuous recording will now start.
Oh shit. Yo, he actually, wow. Alright, I'm definitely gonna write a review for him. So yeah, if you have information and you really need the info, in case you have that problem, I'll put his information on the, you know, what we call it. Also, subscribe to my Instagram if you want to. You can hit me up there. And also subscribe to the car club I'm in, Aggression, if you love Mopar.